LinkedIn Sales Navigator is a powerful tool for lead generation that allows sales professionals to target and engage the right prospects. Here's how to use it effectively. Advanced search filters. Sales Navigator offers advanced filters like industry, company size, geography, job title, seniority, and more. Use these filters to create a refined list of leads that fit your target market. Save leads and accounts. As you find relevant prospects, click Save as Lead to add them to your list for future reference. You can also save companies as accounts to track specific organizations and stay informed about their updates. Leverage lead recommendations. Sales Navigator offers lead recommendations based on your search preferences and saved leads, helping you discover similar prospects. Email and connection requests. Use email to message prospects directly, even if you're not connected. Craft personalized messages to increase engagement. Send connection requests with customized notes to build rapport. Monitor updates. Stay updated on your saved leads with real-time notifications about job changes, company news, and shared content, allowing you to engage timely.